Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your email signature in Gmail, but I'm going to be using Google Docs to do it, mainly because I used to get really frustrated with Gmail and the resizing of images. It just used to really frustrate me a lot. So I now use Google Docs to do it. First, make sure that you're logged into your correct Gmail account. Then go to your settings, which is the cog wheel in the top right corner. Click on there, then click See All Settings, and then scroll down to where your email signature is, which is here. So you can either edit the signature that's already there, if you have one already, or you can create a brand new one. It's up to you which one you want to do. So I'm just going to edit the one that's already here. I want to put a few social media icons underneath this signature here. We can now leave this here and go into a new Google Doc. So this is just a normal blank Google Doc, and the first thing we need to do is get the social media icons. So to do that, go to Insert and then Image, and then you can choose one from either uploading from your PC, you can search the web for an icon, and you can use the folders here, the drive, the photos. You can do it by a link, or you can actually take a photo using the camera. So for this example, I'm going to upload some from my computer. So click on there and you can see I have them here. So we'll do that one first. Now you can tell straight away this is going to be way too big. So if you just click on it, go to the bottom corner so the cursor moves, and click and drag to resize, and that's fine. Place the cursor at the end of that to the right and press the space bar before inserting the next icon, and then you just repeat the process. Go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, go to the next one, and again, just resize. Don't be too fussed about them being the same size at this moment. So press space, and then we'll just do the last one. Okay, so there we have them. And now we want to get them all the same size. So to do that, click on the first image, and you'll notice the toolbar, the quick access toolbar has changed slightly, and there's one called Image Options. Click on there. This then opens up the Image Options pane on the right hand side. Click on Size and Rotation, and then put in the width that you prefer. Make sure that the lock aspect ratio is ticked, and then it means that the resize will be even. So I'm going to say 0.85 just to resize that. And again, click on the next image. The image options pane is already open still. Go to your width, put in the same width, and again go to the final image and do the same thing again. And there you can see they're all the same size. Next, we need to add in the relevant link for each image. So to do this, click on the first image and click on the Insert Link icon in the on the quick access toolbar, which is there. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control and K, and then just paste the link into here. And once you're happy with that, click Apply, and then repeat the process for the next two. So once they're all done, place your cursor to the right of the last image, and then click and drag to highlight all the images at the same time. Press Ctrl C to copy. Then go back into your Gmail account, into the email signature section, place your cursor where you want the icons to go, and press Ctrl V to paste. I'm just going to move this down a little bit here. If you click on the image, you can see here that the link is there, and this is where you can actually edit it, you can change it, and you can remove it if you want to. Then once you're happy with that, scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Then go to Compose a New Email, and you can see the email signature is now updated. So that's it. It's just a quick alternative way of inserting social media icons into your email signature in Gmail. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.